In this video, I'm going to show you how to add email to address book inside your Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the best way to do this is open up a web page and go to mail.google.com and sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, click onto your inbox and now find that person's email inside your inbox. So for example, if I want to go ahead and add in NinjaTrader, I'm going to click into their email. Now from here on the left hand side of their name, it's got a user profile icon. If we click onto that, it's going to give us more information. So we've got the name of the person and also the email. So we can click on that to send them a message, but click on that profile. Then next to their name, they've got a little add to contacts. So go ahead and click on add to contacts. And now that's going to add them into your contacts. We can go ahead and edit their name if you like. So we can click on the edit button, and then on the right, we can see their contact card. So we can give them a first name, surname, the company, job title, their email, label, phone number. We can add address, some notes and all that stuff too.